Yo, what's happening? So here's the situation. Right now I'm here in my apartment in Basel, Switzerland, and I still have a few more days left of leave effectively before I start my new job right here in Switzerland. So I thought, instead of just hanging out in Switzerland, which wouldn't be bad at all, but I'll still be spending plenty of time here in Basel and its surrounding areas. Since I have a few days left, it would be a shame not to make the most of it. And I thought, why not exchange these surroundings for the south of France, as one does, and let's go do that right now. I've got a flight booked to Nice, and I should probably be heading to the airport in order to not miss this flight. And let's go make this happen. Just like that, we've arrived in the beautiful south of France, right here in the city centre, and check this out, isn't this just a dreamy place? Got all these Mediterranean buildings, exactly how I pictured it. Weather's actually playing along fantastically. Good to escape the early spring, winter vibe still, soak up some sun, and just make the most of it. To be honest with you guys, I don't really have a set plan. I just thought I'd check it out, do everything on a whim, and hopefully there'll be a good story along the way that I can share with you guys. So with that being said, I'm going to check into the hotel, drop some luggage off, and then start exploring this beautiful city and see if we can find a beautiful sunset location as well that will just put the cherry right on top. Let's go. Okay, obligatory hotel room tour, check it out. It comes with a bed, and that's all the excitement you need to know, but let's look at the thing you really care about, and that's the view from the hotel window. Check it out. It's got all these Mediterranean style rooftops, and in the far distance you can even see the ocean. Now, instead of admiring the ocean from afar, I've got a far better idea. Let's get out there and take a closer look. Let's go. Oh shit. So, made it to the beach, check out how beautiful this is. Beautiful Mediterranean Ocean in the background. Sunset to match. Couldn't be the more perfect conditions. And let me tell you a bit more about why I chose to come to Nice specifically. It's been a pretty stressful year for me. Had a big move to Switzerland, a lot of stressful hours at work with my accountancy job. I just needed a few days to switch off, and yeah, so this is not primarily photography vlog because I looked at various other locations. I was looking at Rome and Barcelona, but I knew had I gone there, I would have just been with the camera, chasing from location to location and not getting any rest, which I bitterly needed. So I thought I'd try something different, switch off entirely, and just try something new entirely, and that's, yeah, not just be chasing photos the whole time, but just to take a moment to breathe and relax. And that'll also shape this vlog. It's not going to be one of those typical vlogs of mine where I show you guys locations and talk about all the technicalities of how I photographed some specific photos. I'm just going to go with the flow. If I see some great photos, yeah, I'll take the photos. Got the camera bag with me, so there's always that possibility. But if not, I'll just show you some scenery and some beautiful cities along the Côte d'Azur right here in France. Nice for one, already way exceeded my expectations. What a beautiful, quaint little town. And I think the best way to actually explore the city and to just take in this coastline is from up above. So let's chase the drone up in there and see what this place looks like from above. I don't know if those aerial shots were as fun to watch as they were to film, but I showed a blast kicking this thing all the way through the sky along the beach. Just so awesome. And speaking of along the beach, I am curious as to where the rest of this beach takes me. I see some beautiful houses there in the background, and I think that leads me to the old town of Nice. So that's exactly where I'm going to keep heading. Just enjoy an evening stroll along the sunset coast, Mediterranean Ocean, South France. Couldn't be any more perfect. and then I'm gonna head over to dinner as well. But before I do that, I'm really curious and excited what else Nice has in store. Let's go. So I found my way into the old town of Nice. Check out how crazy beautiful this little square is. And I can't tell you much about it, state any facts, but do check them out on Wikipedia if you're genuinely that interested. I only booked this flight like a day ago, randomly, last minute deals, just randomly grabbed it, so I don't know much insight about this place. But all I can tell you is that it is beautiful, so on that note, my stomach's growling, and I think it's time to end this vlog. It's getting dark anyway, so there's not much great shooting conditions left in any case. But I'd like to say thanks for joining me on this rather random off-the-cuff vlog. And if you're interested in seeing a few more ventures along the French coast, do hit that subscribe button below and drop a like as well, because I've got a few more days planned here. I want to go to Monaco, as well as Cannes, as well as explore Nice a bit further, because from my first impressions, this place looks incredibly beautiful, and yeah, I wouldn't mind spending a little bit more time here, just finding out a few more details, check out some intricacies, and possibly check out the incredible yacht harbor, because as you know, the French Riviera is very famous for being full of super rich people, with incredible yachts, incredible houses. And there'll be some stunning coastlines just to tie this whole wealth up together, and I can't wait to show you share with you my impressions of that as well. But for now, that's all. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you on another episode right here on the French Riviera. Good night for now.